gonna take some video and some pictures. Look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful. It's so pretty. Good job, Kat. and Andrew, good job. Good job. Hello, everybody. We're at the reception and we're running away because we both have to pee.
And if I gotta wait
Say
too
hello.
long, it's gonna be in the bushes.
We're gonna piss in the bushes together. It'll be great. He'll like pee up and I'll pee down. It'll be a pee. Look at the wiener.
We'll cross.
You ready?
They're gold.
Angel, you can come. Let's down
I
these
have a
together.
golden cupcake.
Let's down these right?
Down it.
I got the chocolate.
We need more.
It takes more than one bite. We didn't do that right.
Good eye.
We gotta take I got it.
That's the blue cupcake, no. That's the blue cupcake. Good job, Kat. You eat your cupcake. How was your cupcake?
Delicious.
Was yours
Good
delicious?
cupcake shot.
Yummy. How's your cupcake? Okay.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Pretty good.
These glow sticks don't work anymore.
They won't last 5 minutes. They won't last too late. It turn back time. Here, you want a second one? Go for it. Oh, go Joey, go Joey. Ow! Ladies like, you're gonna need another light stick. It won't last 5 minutes. Oh my God, someone just threw one. Okay, you want to throw it in the air? Throw it in the air like you just don't care.
In like a really kind of racist kind of way?
Yeah. What are your words for the happy couple?
Don't fuck it up.
Rebecca, your turn. We can't talk. Kat, Andrew, thank you guys so much for having us. We had a great time, and I've already lost my voice. I was thinking too hard. But yeah, wishing you the both the best in the future. Thank you guys so much for having us. Stay in touch and have fun, Seattle, and keep dancing like nobody's watching. Bye, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog as well too. So, not much is my weird ass, so you know, it is what it is. But, alright guys, this is Sleeping Lizard, leaving.